Hello everyone, this is V.Mounika and I am pursuing my MBA in Vignan's Institute of Information Technology. I recently got placed in CorpTeam Solutions through campus placement with a package of 3 lakh per annum. So coming to my campus placement, I got succeeded with the help of a faculty guidance and through the support and mentoring sessions that are provided by a college faculty. So we MBAians, we used to have a wing session on every Wednesday of the week, where through the wing session it helped us to gain adaptability and seminars and role plays where we could perform in those plays which helped us to get through into the placement. So I used to have personally a problem with stage fear. Wings event helped me to improve my communication skills and to improve my negotiation skills, and also it helped me to surpass the stage fear which I used to have before my degree. So it helped me to encourage my interpersonal skills, where these all skills through Wings event helped me in succeeding the interview. And we also used to have CRT sessions, where CRT sessions helped us to get through the reasoning and aptitude sessions, and even some interpersonal trainings which made us easier to get placed through the placement. So coming to the college, college has provided us many other facilities which helped us to crack the placement. Vignan's college has the best technology and automation services, where we used to have CRT sessions through smart boards and even in labs, where using those sessions it helped us to improve our reasoning and analytical skills, where through these skills we could succeed in many of the aptitude tests, which helped us to improve our reasoning, which also helped us to write some competitive exams, which helped to showcase our competitive abilities and skills that is encouraging us to come through our campus placements. We have received many campus placements in our role like marketing and HR. I personally belong from HR and BA background from MBA. We have many other options, but in our college is getting with the marketing placements and HR placements, where we could compete in each and every of the company that helped us because of the, as I mentioned, wing sessions and other CRT sessions. Finally, I would like to conclude that Vignan is the best option to pursue any stream. It could be MBA or BTech or B Pharmacy, as it helps in succeeding of any student dreams. It helps in providing new opportunities to anyone who want to upgrade their skills or who want to get placed. It provides the best platform to each and every student. So Vignan is the best option for any student. Thank you.